Here, take the phone, Priscilla. We're gonna try and clean this up with a golf towel.
I would call this liquid garbage.
Don't know if it'll work, but hey, we'll try.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What is it?
Like, look how much it's soaked up.
It's pretty good. Let's get the rest of it.
To be honest, I didn't think it was gonna work.
Well, it's always worth trying.
Yep. It's better than doing nothing.
Yeah.
It's better than what we assume is the petroleum-based product going into the lake.
Yeah.
I'm stoked. We cleaned up car oil today.
Yeah. It's a piece of trash to me.
Yeah.
This does count as waste.
Yeah. Look at that.
It's much better now.
Let me get
It's
this
just-
side.
Get that.
It's mostly all gone. Damn, we're good.
Yeah, they had those large machines that just...
The street cleaning machine?
Yeah, but like put towels on the things.
Damn,
Because
we are awesome.
if one person can do that with a towel, how comes a big ass machine can't do that with our roads?
Yeah. I feel bad because that one time we saw the oil at Rayleigh's, but we didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
Of course, we weren't next to a thrift store either.
Well, it's always good to try it.
Yeah, now we know for the future. Anyone watching, they can replicate this so they can help Lake Tahoe.
They want to, yeah.
That's pretty damn good. There might be a few splotches here and there, but they're significantly less than what there was.
Well,
Look at that. What do you think, Priscilla?
I don't really see it much anymore.
Yeah. Why trash Earth, baby?